Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send money from the USA to Nigeria in 2025. Whether you're supporting family, handling business deals, or just sending a gift, I'll walk you through the easiest and most reliable ways to do it. Let's dive right in. First off, with advancements in 2025, digital transfers have become faster and cheaper than ever. The most popular options include services like Wise, Remitly, and WorldRemit, which use cutting-edge tech to cut down on fees and offer competitive exchange rates. For instance, Wise is a favorite because it lets you send money at the real mid-market rate, saving you up to 90% compared to banks. Here's a quick step-by-step for using Wise. Start by signing up on their app or website. It's free and takes just a minute. Then, link your US bank account or debit card. Enter the amount you want to send, select Nigeria as the destination, and add the recipient's details like their bank account or mobile number. Once you review and confirm, the money usually arrives in 1 to 2 business days. Remember, in 2025, many services now support instant transfers via partnerships with local Nigerian banks. But wait, there are other methods too. If you prefer traditional routes, you can use bank wire transfers through institutions like Chase or Bank of America. However, these often come with higher fees. Expect to pay $15 minus 50 per transfer, plus they might take 3 to 5 days. Services like Western Union or MoneyGram are great for cash pickups, ideal if your recipient doesn't have a bank account, but always check for any new 2025 regulations on these. One key tip: compare exchange rates and fees using tools like Z or TransferWise's comparison feature to avoid surprises. Also, prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and double-check recipient info to prevent scams. In 2025, with rising digital fraud, services like these have enhanced encryption, so you're in good hands. Finally, always consider the taxes and limits. For example, the US might have reporting requirements for transfers over $10,000. There you have it. Sending money from the USA to Nigeria doesn't have to be complicated. If you try this out, let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.